The place that you're in right now is a very special place in the heart of the New Hampshire mountains. When I've seen people walk past this place, they sort of describe it as like something out of Wind in the Willows or The Hobbit, because you've got all these rocks that are covered with moss, and everything is just so dank and just so incredibly beautiful. And it's late October, so it's beginning to get quite chilly, and there are actually icicles starting to form on some of the rocks. In the summertime, you can even get snow, residual snow left over from the winter. It's quite extraordinary. What you'll notice as you look around this place is you'll see little dots. If you click on the dots, or if you take the pointer and point to the dots, they'll expand, and you can visit a Welcome to what I believe is known as Рафес Chasm in Gloucester in Massachusets, a beautiful cove by the sea, a perfect hunting ground for children who like to go pottering among the rocks and look for things. And so I recommend that you have a good look around here and see if you can find the Coke can that someone left under a rock. And you get all these little pools with seaweed, and it's just a really pretty place. And so, yeah, just walk around, explore, have fun, pretend you're a 10-year-old, and just have a good time.